and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ I'm going to show you guys how to create एकदमै easy Alina to step चाहिँ black smoky eyes, and it's like too easy. So already face गरिसकेछु because this is eye makeup tutorial. So time waste नगरिकन let's get into the video. Oh wait, if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the video. So for my shadow palette, I'm using James Charlesco, and next one is dark black or light brown, and you need a little dark brown color. That's it. And मैले चाहिँ एउटा smoky eyes in 2 minutes भन्ने भिडियो पनि मैले हालेको छु like 1 year ago. Please check it out. So first मा चाहिँ I'm going to take like this palette. Okay, yes. Okay, first मा यो palette बाट चाहिँ म अलिकति light brown लिन्छु transition color को लागि. Okay, so next you need अलिकति dark brown shade. यो चाहिँ okay, so last one you need is black color, and just tap गर्ने. Okay, अब चाहिँ mascara, lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, अब चाहिँ inner corner र brow bone मा चाहिँ highlight लगाइदिनु. वाटर लाइन मा चाहिँ white liner लगायो भने चाहिँ आँखा चाहिँ अलिकति ठुलो राम्रो देखिन्छ, and then you can use black liner too. So म चाहिँ white use गर्छु. Okay, last one is setting spray, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this video was helpful for everyone, and especially for the beginners. यो चाहिँ एकदमै easy थियो. यो look चाहिँ just maybe 1 minute 2 minutes मा चाहिँ complete हुन्छ, and yeah, eye makeup चाहिँ 1 minute 2 minute मा complete हुन्छ. And then yeah, आजको लागि चाहिँ this is it. So यो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने चाहिँ please like, share, subscribe, comment गरिदिनु होला, and I'll see you soon guys. Bye bye, love you all.